Good morning, grade 1 maths. We are on page 20. Ordering numbers. Now normally when we use numbers we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we're ordering numbers we use different words. We use first, second, third, fourth and fifth. This is how we identify which is coming in first in the line, and then what comes second, what comes third and what comes fourth. If we just use the numbers, they could be in any order. If we have 5 people, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't matter about the order when you just count. When it matters about the order, then they are called ordinal numbers because they're in order. So when we're looking at, for example, the list of the top students in a class, we don't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We go first, second, third, fourth and fifth. This is how we make it clear that we are talking about which one is the best, and which comes next, and which comes next, and which comes next. Now, here's a great way of showing you what I mean. These are letters that a postman is going to deliver. In most countries like America and the UK, when you send someone a letter, then it'll go to an office in a different city and then someone will take the letter to the house and put it into your box. So here we have a postman and he has 6 letters and they're all mixed up. So he needs to put them in the correct order because in UK streets the houses are numbered in order. So when you want to find them, it's very easy. They're not all mixed up together. So here we look for which is the first house. So it's number 2. What comes next? 6. What comes next? 9. What comes next? 11. What comes next? 15. And what comes next? It's 26. So now they are in the correct order. But they're not numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we can say that this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth, and this one is the sixth. That's how we order numbers. Now here at the bottom, you have some people running. And if we look at it, they're running this way. So this one is first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So here we have the rosettes. So now you need to connect the prizes to the people. So you look at these and you draw a line from the prizes to the people. Okay? Now, still on ordering numbers, you've got one box with words in it and one box with numbers in it. So, you draw a line from the number to the word. So here it says first, and here it says first. So you draw a line, and then you do the same for second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Now, it says here, colour in the answers. So here you have coloured circles in a line, in order. Then it says, which colour is second? So you count along, 1, 2, this colour is red. So you colour this circle red. And then you do the same thing with these other sentences. You read the sentence and you colour the circle. We're not doing page 22 because it's something where you need more people. Now we're looking at page 23. We have a red box and we have a blue box. In the red box there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils. In the blue box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've got 9 pencils in the blue box. So you need to answer these questions. So it says there are, and then it says, it doesn't give you a number, and it says pencils in the red pot. So you write the correct number for how many pencils are in the red pot. Then you do the same for this sentence. Then you answer these other questions, writing the words in to make the sentence correct. Now you answer the questions about these pictures. You look at the pictures and you write 5 sentences using these examples to tell you what to write. So here you have one plate with bananas on it, and there are 12 bananas, and there's a plate here which has mangoes on it, and there are 17 mangoes. So you write the sentences for those 2 pictures using these sentences as examples. So there are 12 bananas on the plate. There are 17 mangoes on the plate. And then you answer the other questions in the same way. So if you look at this, look at the different plates, you can decide what you're going to call these colours, and then you do the same thing with the two different kinds of people. You answer those questions. And that's the end of what we're doing in the textbook for today. Now you have more examples of ordering numbers. It says draw an arrow to match the correct ordinal number to the pattern. So this one says second, and if you look here in this pattern, this circle is the second one, and that's the one that's coloured. So you do the same thing with these other numbers. You find the line which has the correct coloured circle, and then you draw a line from the number to the picture. Now you have a picture of different kinds of things for driving. You've got a big van, a small van, a tuk-tuk, a moto, a bus, a digger, a big motor, a car, a caravan, and a small bus. So you look at this row of traffic and then you answer the questions. It says draw a circle around the third vehicle. So that's the first question. So you go 1, 2, 3 and you draw a circle around the tuk-tuk. Then you do the same thing for these other questions. And then the last thing we're doing today is looking at these pictures of cherries. You've got 2 bowls of cherries, and it says complete the sentences. Bowl 1 contains, and then you count the cherries and you write the number here. Bowl 2 contains, count the cherries and write the number here. Then you answer the other questions in exactly the same way as you've done the questions in the textbook. And that's the end of maths for today.